In my last video, I did the door gasket sound quieting and saw a decent reduction in noise. How will this modification do? I've been wanting to try out this glass roof gasket for a while now. I purchased this item on Amazon. There's at least a dozen makers of this type of product now. It is basically a silicone rubber hollow tube that is sealed with both ends connected. If it is sized correctly, it should fit around the front panoramic window of the car. Installation is pretty simple. Take the tube and place it on the corner of the glass. Pull the tube across the gap and press it inside. Be careful not to pull too strongly. There is enough to go around the entire window. Once it is fully installed in the gap, just go around again to make sure it's secure. Where the window meets the car and other glass sections, there's a wide gap that is problematic for collecting debris and possibly is causing noise due to turbulence. The size of the tube should be snug enough so that it does not fall off or get loose at high speed. I've been using mine for about 2 weeks now with no issues of it falling out. Here are some close-ups of the actual tube, and you can see how it fills the gap. Again, as in the other video, I've done multiple sound tests using several uniform conditions to remove most of the variables. I have radio set to off, HVAC fan set to 2, dry conditions, same testing locations. As seen in the previous results, the door gaskets reduced local and highway sound by 8 and 7 decibels respectively. Now here are the glass roof numbers. Local road noise dropped roughly 2 decibels. However, highway increased by 1 decibel. It seems counterintuitive. You would think the highway would have a better result. But this is a result after doing multiple runs. I would consider overall that there's no noticeable sound reduction using these silicone rubber rings. In conclusion, I would not recommend this for noise reduction if that's your only goal. It does provide the benefit of better aesthetic looks and keeping the glass gap clear of debris like pollen and tiny leaves. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.